Joel here from the Aqua Phi, and we're in the best services for private jets, Banyan services, and soon you'll see the jets take off. Here's an extract from the Aqua Phi, and we'll see you chapter 8 of the Aqua Phi. Salut, Joel ici, et nous sommes au meilleur service pour les jets privés, Banyan Service, et bientôt vous allez voir les jets partir. Voici un extrait du livre, et on se verra au chapitre 8 de l'Aqua Phi.
Jarob and Sonny arrive at the bottom step of the stage, and the two white sperm whales continued their migration. Qualdor walked down the steps to bring his future wife onto the stage with him. At the bottom steps, Qualdor and his soon-to-be father-in-law shook hands and patted each other's shoulders, nodding in agreement with this union. As Jarob walked back to stand beside his wife, Qualdor took his bride by both hands and brought her to the very top of the golden stage with him. When they reached the top, the orchestra's song stopped so that the next part of the ceremony could begin. Qualdor and Sonny now faced the minister to embrace their commitment and seal this vow of love to each other.